Hello, have a very good morning, teacher. This day, we will talk about a short summary about chapter 1. The topic is who was the pandemic effect 10 general students in academic area, the Liceo Cristiano Flavio Josefo, the year in 2020. The member is Eduardo Ronald Villalta Guevara, Javier Alexander Rodríguez López, Violeta Raquel Serrano Martínez, Daniel Alejandro Rivas Flores, José Manuel Carvajal y Diego Alfonso Prieto.
Yeah, hi teacher. The first one is 1.1 problematic issues. And this part, what we do is identify the general problem in the thesis field. And then that is the principal problem is the COVID-19 in pandemic in 2020 greatly affected the education. Qualified is affecting, it's necessary to take action of many the qualified of the education as high as possible. And that all in the 1.2.
Of the problem. In recent decades, stress has become the population greatest nightmare, perhaps due to the fast pace of life, overwork, studies, or worries. Listening to music can be a good option to relax, but according to experts, care must be taken with the gender to choose because it can affect behavior, especially that of young people who are the most vulnerable.
Justification. According to the Ministry of Education in El Salvador, 30,000 teachers have the skill to be able to teach class online with the classroom platform. The problem of education in the Salvador face precarious and in virtual education, student and teacher have the fake various conflict in the teaching learning process. Since face-to-face education was moved to the virtual due to the COVID-19, teachers were not prepared. To adapt to the era of virtual education, the pandemic changed the situation. One or another education must be reinvented.
Limitation and the limitation. Our school is that the Liceo Cristiano Flavio Josefo, which the time is urban music, influenced the mode of students of Liceo Cristiano Flavio Josefo of the second A in the 2021. Our limitation will be the Liceo Cristiano Flavio Josefo. Our population is the second general, year section A and 2021. We will limit ourselves to the population. Science on urban music affects thousands of young people. In this case, the school is Christian and the gift or greater than change image in young Christians.
Okay, 1.5 research objectives. General objective. Determine what were the problems that the 10th grade school students in section A of the Liceo Cristiano Flavio Josefo had in the academic area due to the pandemic that arose in 2020. Specific objectives. Investigate the different problems that the students had caused by the pandemic. Analyze what were the factors for the students to have problems in the study.
Okay, And 1.6 research hypothesis. General hypothesis, the pandemic caused the academic performance of students to drop considerably. Science, because they did not attend their school. They were more accommodated in their homes and sometimes did not turn in their due assignments. And specific hypothesis. 1. Along with the pandemic, the amount of the students was also low. In science, they did not have recreation or live with their other classmates, and that affect their school performance. Two, another factor that caused their grades to drop is that even when they were at school, they use their free time to do other activities and tasks were put aside. And thank you.